In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 to an Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick so you can play games, stream content, and enjoy your console directly on your TV. This setup is perfect if you want a bigger screen experience or if your main monitor isn't nearby. Before we start, check out the NordVPN link in the description. It's a fast, secure VPN that works on PS5, Fire TV, PC, and mobile. Using NordVPN keeps your connection private, hides your IP address, and helps you safely access content while gaming or streaming online from anywhere in the world. The first step is to physically connect your PS5 to your Fire TV. Grab the HDMI cable that came with your PS5, plug one end into the HDMI port on the back of your PS5, and the other end into any available HDMI port on your Fire TV. Make a note of which port you're using, because you'll need to select it on the TV input settings. Next, plug in the power cord to your PS5 and connect it to a power outlet. Once your console is powered, turn on your Fire TV and switch to the HDMI input you just connected. You should immediately see the PlayStation logo on the screen, which means your Fire TV has detected the console. At this point, the PS5 will take you to the controller setup page. To connect your DualSense controller, use the included USB cable or any USB-C cable. Plug one end into the controller and the other into the PS5. Press the PS button on the controller to pair it with the console. Once paired, you can disconnect the cable and use the controller wirelessly via Bluetooth. This step is important because the PS5 requires a controller to navigate the setup menus and complete the configuration. Now that your controller is connected, the setup process begins. First, select your language, then decide if you want to enable or disable the screen reader. After that, connect your PS5 to your Wi-Fi network. If your connection is slow or unstable, make sure your console is close to the router or access point for the best signal. Once your Wi-Fi is connected, it's time to adjust your display. Use the D-pad on your controller to move the screen boundaries so the image fits perfectly on your Fire TV. After that, calibrate HDR using the three-step process. The goal is to adjust brightness so the logo is barely visible, which ensures your games look their best with vibrant colors and proper contrast. If you have a game disc, insert it at this stage. Make sure the artwork is facing left, then gently push the disc into the drive. Your PS5 will automatically pull it in and begin installing the game. Next, choose your power mode. Low power mode will prevent the console from downloading updates during rest mode, which can save electricity, while optimized experience ensures your console and games are always updated automatically. Confirm your choice and agree to the PlayStation license agreement to proceed. Network account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the setup screen. After logging in, you can choose whether or not to set a login passcode. You also have the option to transfer data from an old PS4 if you want to keep your saved games and settings, or you can skip this step to start fresh. With the PS5 connected to the Fire TV, there are a few additional settings to optimize your experience. For example, if you want to control your PS5 with your Fire TV remote, make sure HDMI CEC is enabled in the PS5 settings. This allows you to power the console on and off with the TV remote. Also, switch your Fire TV HDMI input to enhanced mode under picture settings. This ensures you get the highest quality video output from your PS5, including 4K resolution and HDR. Now your PS5 is fully set up and ready to use with your Fire TV. You can start gaming, stream apps, and enjoy everything your console has to offer on a larger screen. Whether you're playing fast-paced games, watching movies, or using media apps, this setup gives you a clean and seamless experience. Here's a bonus tip. While gaming or streaming on your Fire TV, using a VPN like NordVPN adds an extra layer of security. NordVPN encrypts your internet traffic, hides your IP address, and lets you safely access content from different regions. It's perfect for PS5, Fire TV, and all your other devices. Plus, it can help reduce lag in some situations by giving you a more stable connection when using public Wi-Fi or hotel networks. So that's how you connect your PS5 to an Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. Start by plugging in your HDMI cable and power cord. Pair your controller. Complete the setup. Adjust display and HDR settings, and optimize your HDMI and remote settings. With NordVPN, you also get a secure private connection while gaming or streaming. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN and keep your PS5 connection safe, fast, and private while enjoying games and streaming on your Fire TV.